Baking basics. Understanding bake until golden. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase in cooking, bake until golden. Understanding this phrase not only helps in the kitchen but also in mastering the nuances of the English language. Let's explore what this phrase means and how to use it correctly. Bake until golden is a phrase often found in cooking recipes. Let's break it down. Bake. This is a cooking method that involves cooking food using dry heat, typically in an oven. Until, this word is used to indicate when to stop an action. It's about timing. Golden. This describes the color. A light brown, resembling gold. It indicates the desired appearance of the food when it's properly cooked. So, when a recipe says to bake until golden, it means to cook the food in the oven until it reaches a light brown or golden color. This color is often a sign that the food is cooked perfectly. Why do recipes emphasize the color? Here's why. Visual cue. Color is an important visual cue in cooking. Golden signifies that the food is likely cooked through and has a desirable texture and flavor. Variability in cooking. Not all ovens are the same, and cooking times can vary. Hence, using color as a guide is more reliable than just time. Appeal. Golden brown food is often more appetizing and indicates a certain level of crispness and flavor. Let's look at some examples. 1. Baking bread. The phrase, bake until golden, often applies to bread. It means bake the bread until the crust is a golden brown color. 2. Cookies. For cookies, golden often refers to the edges, indicating they are crispy but not burnt. Tips. Keep an eye on your oven. The change from golden to burnt can happen quickly. Know your oven. Understand if your oven runs hot or cool and adjust your baking accordingly. Use a timer. While color is a key indicator, using a timer helps to avoid forgetting your baking. Remember, bake until golden is more than just a phrase. It's a guideline for achieving perfect results in baking. We hope this explanation helps you in your English learning journey and maybe even in your cooking adventures. Happy baking and learning!